Okay, so what is fiber optics? Fiber optics is the science of transmitting data, voice, and images by the passage of light through thin, transparent fibers. First, let's go over what these fibers look like. They are a hair-thin fiber that are sometimes made of plastic, but most often glass. In each of these fibers, there are 3 layers. First, in the middle of the fiber is the core. The core is the thin glass center of the fiber where the light travels. Then the clouding is what surrounds the core. The cladding is the outer optical material surrounding the core that reflects the light back into the core. And the outermost layer is the buffer coating. The buffer coating is a plastic coating that protects the fiber from damage and moisture. The light in a fiber optic cable travels through the core by constantly bouncing from the cladding, a principle called total internal reflection. To understand total internal reflection, you must understand the laws of refraction. Have you ever placed a straw in water and noticed how it looks like the straw is bent? The reason this happens is because light travels at a different speed in water than it does in air, because of the different densities. This is what is happening in the fiber, except once you get to a certain angle of incidence, called the critical angle, the light will end up reflecting back. So, in the fiber, when the light hits the cladding, it is reflected back into the core. This series of actions continues to reoccur, letting the light continue through the fiber optic cable for a long time without much attenuation. Along with this, because the cladding does not absorb any light from the core, the light wave can travel great distances. So where can you find fiber optics? The main way that optical fibers are used is to transmit telephone signals and other internet communications. Fiber optics is also used to help in the medical world, for data and storage and the defense of the government. Finally, it is used in many imaging tools such as lasers, sensors, and other light guides. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, watch the other Physics 2 videos from this class.